Now, literally, this is one of the most important tips when it comes to your drone and footage. Number 9 is check all of your batteries and all of your memory cards before you leave your house. If you want my opinion, get an extra SD card with, not, you don't have to buy the most expensive one. It doesn't have to be as big as your main one. But if the first one is full or something happens on your first one, you can just use this. I want to remind you that the internal storage of your drone, there has been a few times where I've gotten out of to a location and the battery have completely died, the memory card is full, or I haven't transferred the footage, so I cannot use this memory card. So when you're in a rush, and especially the worst parts happen when we are in a bit of a rush, we need to do this. I have to go now. I'm gonna miss the sunset. I'm gonna miss, the early daylight. So instead of just throwing your gear in a bag and heading out, always check if there's a battery okay. Is my drone updated? Do I have enough space in my memory card? And I can tell you that if this thing happens once, you're gonna be so sorry it happened and so pissed at yourself that you didn't take the time to check and go all over your gear to make sure that your cards are empty and ready to go. It takes like maybe 5 to 10 minutes, but it can save you driving time to go in and out of a place, and it can save your footage because it might be your last day in a place. How are you going to take that again if you don't have time? So be prepared, take that extra time. Preparation is key for this one. I know, again, it's kind of obvious, but it's one of the most important things. If I had a dime for every time I had not checked my SD card capacity, I would probably have two dimes. But it's a lot. It's a lot. Why waste your time like this? It's all good in the hood. If you have more questions or you want to see more of these tips, do leave a like and do subscribe. This is a place in Tinos. We have lots of videos like this in this channel, so make sure to go ahead and check that. Cheers. Until the next time.